Sprocket, you leave those birds alone. Tell the main inhabitant of this island are the birds. It's a bunch of different kinds. Hazel, of course, up here walking on land. Sprocket swimming, as always. Gargling some salt water. See the boats right over there.
Look at this side.
The bones. Yeah, that's just sick. Oh, man. We're making an impact, freaking all the inhabitants of this island out, babe.
Why?
Just walking around, they don't know what to think.
We'll come here sometime.
Not very often. Boats look cool from here.
Look, there's some fresh bird food.
Sprocket, come on, buddy.
That white bird does not like us.
It's been following us because it has those babies over there.